Hello there, it's Tai with WTI, and this book by Emily Henderson is no exception in great coffee table books. But it's a coffee table book that is not only teaching you the new design rules, but it also gives you lots of great ideas of what to do to create beautiful, harmonious home with new and old items, but also basic rules about what to take in consideration when you're fixing new home or building new home. It just gives you lots of beautiful ideas and it's beautiful to look at. So I like to have books that has beautiful places to look at that I can just enjoy the view. Just any page, if I leave it open, I find so many things that I could apply in my home and also getting ideas what to do. So a book like this is a gift that keeps giving. You can give this as a gift to someone or gift it to yourself. And that, of course, is just my point of view.